Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to craft a magma block in Minecraft. For that we're going to need netherrack and we're going to need some coal. Let's take it and let's go to crafting table. Here we need to place netherrack like that and coal like that. And as you can see, I have just crafted 2 magma blocks. And you may ask, guys, how did I actually do that? Because you cannot craft a magma block in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot, because I'm using a data pack for that. And you can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. You just need to click download data pack. You need to save it on your PC, and after that you need to install it to your Minecraft world. And you can use this data pack on any Minecraft version you want. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.